Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Vargas. I am with Lead by Impact, and I will be your facilitator for the upcoming workshop. Now, before you dive in, I'm glad that you're actually checking out this video beforehand because we will be using a virtual whiteboard called Mural, M-U-R-A-L. It's a really fun tool, really easy to use, and I wanted to give you some of the basics before you actually start using it during our workshop. So let's start off with number one. The first thing we want to talk about is zoom, zooming in and zooming out, not Zoom, the video software. So there's a couple different ways that you can zoom. What you do is go to the area that says zoom settings on the bottom right of your screen, and you could do track mode. So that allows you to use your trackpad and you can pinch it in and out, kind of like you would do on a smartphone to zoom in and to zoom out. So that is one setting that you can have. Another setting you can do is mouse mode. So this allows you to be able to scroll in and out. So use your scroller to zoom in and out. Okay, so basics, very simple. One other way you could do it is also using this zoom bar over here. So you can zoom in and out that way. Now, let's say that you've zoomed in, but you're not where you want to be and you want to move the virtual whiteboard so you can get to where you want to go. What you can do here is click this little button called Move Mode. So you click that button and you can then move it. So you do that by click and drag, and then you can zoom out, click and drag, and that's a way that you can navigate around the virtual whiteboard, making it very simple and easy. Okay, so scroll in and out or pinch in and out, and then hit the little tracker button, or I'm sorry, the move mode. And then when you're done moving it, you can then click it and turn it off. Now, the next part we're going to focus on is adding a sticky note. We're going to be using a couple of sticky notes, so I want you to understand how to use this feature. Very simple. All you have to do, double click. Double click and a sticky note will appear, and then you can type right away. Okay, and let's say you want to do another one. You just double click and here is the second one. Now let's say you want to move it around. Here's a little move button right above it, and there you go. So you can click on it and then you can move it around. Now let's say you want to get rid of it. You just click on it and hit delete. Easy way to get rid of a sticky note. Let's say I accidentally put in another one. Another thing you can do is this little undo button. So just like you would use in Microsoft Word or Google Sheets, you can double click, you can do something, and then you could just click this little undo on the top left. Okay, so really simple stuff. Okay, so we now know how to zoom in and out with either our scroller, our pinch, or the zoom bar. If we want to move the canvas around, we can click move mode and it'll be really easy to do so. If you want to add a sticky note, you could just double click and add a sticky note. And then if you make a mistake, you can hit the undo button. So if you haven't already, what I'd like you to do is go ahead and open up the test board that I sent in your email along with this video, the link for it. And what I'd like you to do is leave your name and why you attended the shop, right? So say it's something like Michael, and I am excited to teach my team how to create more psychological safety. Oops, spelled psychological wrong, right? And there you go. And then just leave it on the board. It's a way to make sure that you get to try it out a little bit and that you're best prepared for when our workshop begins. If you have any questions, again, my name is Michael Vargas. My website is leadbyimpact.com, and you can email me at michael@leadbyimpact.com. Thank you so much and have yourself a great day.